Look back across the meadow toward the house. The meadow is visible from almost any point on the property. Notice the lack of ground-level shrubs, plants, and bushes. There's a clarity here, a purity of line. This is an excellent example of the modernist style. This was the look Edsel admired. He made it abundantly clear to Jensen that he desired clean lines of sight, such as this, throughout the estate. Jensen's approach was different. He valued understory, low plants and shrubs that presented a tiered, three-dimensional landscape when paired with taller trees. Jensen also preferred an undulating landscape, a feeling of motion, change. He advocated for small hills and grades in the Ford's landscape. But Edsel objected to Jensen's steep grades. Edsel wrote to Jensen in December 1927,
"The first objection is to the change of grades between the end of the house and the swimming pool. We have always wanted to have the effect of a lawn running away from the house towards the pool and playhouse, with the large trees placed at random. And I feel that the ravine which is being dug will take away this effect which we desire so much." Edsel Ford.
Pan the meadow once more. Look around. Reflect on the compromise of two strong imaginations. This beauty in front of you is the result. We, standing here, are the benefactors of their imagination and their compromise.